Before science gave us solutions, nature already had them, and communities knew them. Wetlands are natural ecosystems where land and water meet, such as marshes, lakes, floodplains, mangroves, and ponds. They act as nature's water filters, climate buffers, and biodiversity hotspots. For centuries, local communities protected wetlands without policies or carbon markets. Their traditional knowledge ensured water security, food security, climate resilience. Today, rapid urbanization and ignorance of traditional wisdom are causing wetlands to disappear, leading to flood, water scarcity, biodiversity loss. At EHM, we believe the future of sustainability lies in combining traditional knowledge with modern environmental management. Protecting wetlands means protecting our heritage, our climate, and our future.